Today we are delving into a topic that many of you may find intriguing, using an LLC for personal expenses. So, let's take a moment to grasp some statistics that might interest you. Do you know that in the United States there are over 2.5 million newly registered LLCs each year? Quite a fascinating number, isn't it? Now, running an LLC brings with it several responsibilities, and knowing how to navigate the financial aspect of it is vital. As a business owner, you might sometimes ponder on the possibility of using your LLC for personal expenses. So let's chat about the basics. In the initial stages, many LLC owners might find their personal and business finances intertwined. While it might seem convenient to use business finances for personal expenses, it's essential to separate the two to avoid any legal and tax complications down the line. It's like keeping your coffee and cream separate, giving you the freedom to enjoy each one individually without messing up the taste of the other. Now, the IRS is very keen on how business owners use their LLC finances. Using an LLC for personal expenses can sometimes be seen as piercing the corporate veil, which might expose you to personal liability. It's somewhat like removing the safety net that separates your personal assets from the business liabilities. To give you a perspective, nearly 30% of small businesses fail due to the mishandling of financials. So, understanding how to correctly use your LLC funds is not only a legal requirement, but a strategy to safeguard your business and personal assets. Remember, maintaining clear records is your best friend here. By clearly documenting all transactions, whether personal or business, you make it easier to distinguish between the two, thus avoiding any murky waters during the tax season or in the event of a legal dispute. So, to sum up, even though it might seem tempting to dip into the LLC funds for personal use, maintaining a clear boundary between your personal and business finances is the recommended route. It keeps things transparent, organized, and above all, ensures the longevity and success of your business. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, in your opinion, what's the most beneficial aspect of having an LLC? Leave your comment below and let us know your thoughts. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business toward maximum profitability.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.